Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad SE. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Huawei Wallet. In the beginning let's enter Huawei Wallet, and as you can see right here you can add loyalty card, coupons and gift cards. First let's enter loyalty card, add new, and now you can scan your card or enter card number, company name, your name and expiry date manually. Tap done and it's set. Now let's go back, enter coupons, add new, and similar to loyalty card, add again company name, coupon name, expiry date, coupon number, source. In the end let's select gift card, and again you have to add card number, company name, your name and expiry date. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Huawei Wallet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.